Good morning from the south of France. We are heading to St Tropez this morning and we are going to have a shopping day. We have lunch planned. We have a beach that we're going to go to. So we've packed the car with all we need. I have an outfit change and everything. Very excited to go to the stores. I've been to the south of France before. I've never been to St Tropez, so this will be the first for me. I've also never driven in the south of France. So right now we're on a highway. There's nothing to show. Once we get to St Tropez, I will definitely show you. Do I have anything to buy? Not really thinking of anything. You never know. I heard the stores are amazing there, so we'll see how that goes. And that's the update. This is kind of the main street with all the stores. Like we just drove past the Chanel store. I'm gonna turn in here. It is very, very busy in St Tropez. Like it took us an hour to come into St Tropez, this main square area, just because of all the traffic and all the cars that were just coming in. To just give you an idea of what it looks like, it's a very busy peak season. Just to give you a perspective of going to a restaurant by the beach in St Tropez, firstly you go through the mountain, multiple mountains, up and down and around, and then you take one of these like very small, narrow roads, which is, I would say, a two-way. We haven't come across another car yet, which is good, but it's very narrow. But the views are just incredible. We're like basically on top of the trees. Pasta, zucchini pasta, and then we have some veal. I think this is butter. No, it's lemon. And you have some pasta. Now I can officially say bon appetit. We are at La Brigantine. Brigantine. I think La Brigantine. I thought it was Brigantine, but it has a beach club. So if you were interested in that, you could come for that. Or you could use the public beach as well. Parking is a little bit of a struggle, but we came to the restaurant and then it was like they picked us up from the parking lot with a little buggy, which was nice, and they bring us straight to the restaurant. This place really reminds me of St Bart's, just like how hidden the beach is and like how you have to travel down like very small, narrow, mountainous roads to get here, but it's worth it. The food was amazing and the drinks are also amazing. I think now that we've had a few drinks, I think we're going to head into town and do some shopping. What do you think, babe? That's the plan? He's agreeing yes, so let's see how that goes. So since we don't speak French and you could speak, obviously, Spanish, and I know how you say it in Spanish, isn't it? Cheque? Cheque. What's the universal signal for check? Right? It works every time. We don't even need to know it in French.
We don't.
It's the entrance to the restaurant. It's so cute. And here's the little van that picks you up from your car park and drops you back off once you are finished eating. Okay, we're at St Tropez. We got this French pastry, but I don't know what it's called, so I might have to... Tropezine. It has raspberries in it, which look delicious, and espresso. This is the view.
I like the black one. It has like more personality to it.
A little souvenir from Celine. Good morning, world. How are you? Today is a new day and I'm actually sitting out on my balcony with the morning sun just hitting me. It feels so good. All I'm missing is a morning coffee. I'm gonna go get an espresso very soon. I wanted to film what I purchased in St Tropez yesterday. It was so much fun in St Tropez. Like there's definitely a lot to do and see. It's very mountainous, very pretty. and the shopping is A1, like everything that you want, and if you ask for it, they most likely have it in stock, and the customer service is attentive to what you need. So that's always good. I was looking for a hat, but I didn't know it was going to be from Celine, and I didn't know who stocks these hats. But the other day, randomly, I said to my husband that I wanted a wide brim hat, and I just happened to walk into Celine and found it, and I got it in this beautiful raffia. It has the Celine print on the side, or you can wear it at the front really, but I probably will wear it to the side. It was the last one, so this one is like the wide brim, and it also has the print in the black, but the sales associate told me that you could also get it in different colors, like a beige, or you could get it in a brown, which would be really nice, but they only had the black and I got the last one. Apparently there was no other ones, and I couldn't risk leaving it for cans, I don't know how to say that, but anyway, but this is the hat and I love it. It provides so much shade. I know that my face is completely shaded right now. I'm just looking at my reflection, like even my shoulders. It completely is sun protectant, and it's also fabulous. I feel very like a 60s, early 60s with this hat. I don't know, isn't it just so perfect to go with the south of France as well? But anyway, I think I'm going to wear this today because I need to protect my facial skin, other than the rest of my body is tanning, but my face, I like to protect it from the sun. So I think this is perfect for just like lounging, reading a book under the sun. It will be perfect for like my Central Park days as well. So I just wanted to share that. We're actually getting ready for the beach now. We're about to head out. Luckily, we rented a car in the south of France, so we're just driving through the coast. Today, we're heading to another beach, which is further towards Monaco. It's in one of the coves. I can't tell you the exact name, but you will find out when we get there. So there's going to be a few beaches, and then I think we're going to Eze for some lunch or maybe early dinner. Let's spend another day in the south of France. We're on the beach and I wanted to show you how incredible it is. Firstly, the drive here was incredible. It was everything that I pictured of. It was just like kind of out of a movie, and then it was just so scenic. We made it to a little alcove beach. I'll put the name of it on the screen. It's definitely worth the drive here, but it's so pretty. You can either lay out your beach towel or you can get a sun chair. How pretty. Just look at that view in the background. And there's all the mountains behind me. I just feel like it doesn't do it justice. Definitely a spot you have to visit. And there's all the fishies that are in the water right now. The black little fishies. So pretty. Beach numero un. I don't know, it's half Spanish, half French. Beach numero uno is done. We're now heading to the next beach on the French Riviera. This one is going to have sand, so I'm excited for that. But this beach was so beautiful. It's such a hidden gem that I highly recommend. It's definitely worth the drive. I think before we head to the beach, we might pick up some lunch because I'm feeling just a little bit hungry. Remember I said that the last beach was incredible? This one, I think, just topped it. There is a few stairs and a bit hilly to get down, but it is worth it. It is so pretty. It's actually beautiful. Are you kidding? I cannot wait to get down there and enjoy the sun. We just sat to have lunch at La Reserve de la Mala. It's the one with the white umbrellas, so don't know how to pronounce it. This is what it looks like. So pretty. Just the water and the rocks. Right, babe, are we ordering a bottle?
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are. White?
First with the bottle.
Yes.
Okay.
We're gonna do
We will do the burrata.
yeah.
Okay.
And then this one is a pasta.
Yeah, pasta alla vongole, you know, with the clams and some garlic.
Perfect. We'll do this one as
So we
well.
make one vongole, one burrata,
Yes.
and a white one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
We got some burrata that just looks so fresh, and then we got some pasta with clams, which looks incredible. We're in Eze right now, and this is just a town up the mountain that the beach we're at. We just kept driving up, and it's a very quaint, very historic little town. We are just exploring by foot, really. I don't know really what to see. I wouldn't mind getting dinner here. That's the plan. Maybe something to drink as well. But it's really cute, it's really quiet and zen. Here's the view from above. You can imagine the drive and walk here is just incredible. Having dinner at this really cute spot. It's a pizzeria and it's right across the Nice port. It's really, really pretty. Marinara pizza, which looks delicious, with some burrata salad. Buon appetito! Buon appetit! We're in Cannes and I have a little espresso, which I need at least 3 espressos during the day, just because it's a beach day and I just crave a good espresso after the beach day. Really good. We went to Antibes today to one of the beaches there, and now we're in Cannes for a little bit of shopping and dinner. And we're starting with the tiramisu, which looks so good. Should we do a taste test? I'm obsessed with the tiramisu. All the dessert here is incredible. It's really good.
It's good. Better than the other place.
I think so. These ones are the square ones. I think I like the round ones better.
I think the round ones look better on you.
The round ones. Are these the ones I tried on?
The round ones are nice. Babe. Out of a store and
Success in nil-nil. I'm thinking about a bag at Prada. We are at the Nice train station now, heading to Paris. I'm going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed this video. The south of France was incredible. I definitely recommend hiring a car and exploring the coast, the, how do you say in French, Côte d'Azur. It's definitely worth it. I think that France has its own beauty and charm, and I'm so glad we got to experience it. But I will see you in Paris.